welcome to Cyber Week 2023. We are proud to have you join us for the 13th consecutive year of Cyber Week. We are so pleased to be able to host so many distinguished guests and professionals from all over the globe in Tel Aviv, the cyber capital of the world. Cyber Week is hosted by the Blavatnik Interdisciplinary Cyber Research Center and the Yuval Workshop for Science, Technology and Security at Tel Aviv University, together with the Israel National Cyber Directorate. For 13 years, Cyber Week has provided audiences with expert content, thought leadership, and innovation, and this year is no exception. Today's main plenary will feature international experts sharing their ideas on cyber threats, cybersecurity in an uncertain era, and more. Don't miss out on more incredible sessions taking place around the university this afternoon. We're about to begin. Take your seats. We are starting in 3, 2, 1.
So good morning. So wonderful to see you all here with us today. I'm very proud to open our second day of the main plenary and the third day of Cyber Week 2023. I hope you all had a productive day yesterday at our main plenary and all the events in the afternoon, including our startup showcase. Today, we have another exciting day ahead of us with talks from a range of esteemed cybersecurity leaders from all over the world. I would like to take this opportunity to once again thank the amazing Cyber Week Dream Team, our sponsors, partners, speakers, and everyone who took time out of their busy calendars to be here and to contribute to the success of this week. Thank you all for coming. I'm also happy to announce that Cyber Week 2024 will take place from June 24th to June 27th. We look forward to seeing you all there. And now, I would like to take a moment to mention that last month, we lost one of our founding fathers of Israel's high-tech industry, Zohar Zisappel, who sadly passed away. I felt that Cyber Week is an opportunity to honor his legacy. I would like to highlight the exceptional contribution of a remarkable leader who was an inspiration for the whole Israeli high-tech ecosystem. Many of you may have known him, but I guess that most of our guests from abroad didn't get a chance to meet this talented and special pioneer. Let me share part of his history, which reflects the success story of our cyber nation. Zohar completed his degree in the Technion and then joined the army and served his military service in a secret and special intelligence technological unit. Within this unit, he gained experience and expanded his influence, later being awarded a prize for his contribution to Israel's defense. In his next chapter, moving to the private sector, he established, together with his brother Yehuda, in the early 80s, a company called Rad Binat, which became the cornerstone of the Israeli telecommunication, data, and security industries, leading to the establishment of companies like Radcom, Rad Data Communications, Radware, and many others. Zohar demonstrated outstanding leadership by fostering collaboration and nurturing a community of technology and professionals. Furthermore, his mentorship inspired numerous entrepreneurs. Some of you sitting here in the audience. The impact of Zohar Zisappel's contribution to the Israelis' technological ecosystem cannot be overstated. Let us seize this opportunity during Cyber Week to learn, collaborate, and innovate. Together, we will shape the future of cybersecurity, not just in Israel, but on a global scale. Let us honor Zohar's legacy by embracing the spirit of Cyber Week and leveraging the opportunity for innovation that he and many others built over the past decades. And now, it is my honor to call onto the stage Major General Professor Isaac Ben Israel, the father of Israel's cyber revolution and the head of Cyber Week. I hope you continue to enjoy the day and have a wonderful Cyber Week. Thank you.
Good morning again. 2 days are behind us, 2 days to go. I hope we will meet your expectations like it was in the first 2 days. I don't want to repeat things that I've said yesterday. I will only tell you that, I guess you all know it, but in parallel to this session, we will have along the whole day, we will have parallel sessions, events, etc., dealing with more focused subjects of cybersecurity, related to cybersecurity. Some of them you will not see, I think, anywhere else in the world. For example, at 10:30, we will have, if you go to one of the halls, Barzilay Hall, you would be able to see some few hundreds kids, 16 years old, discussing cyber issues. This is something unique to Israel, but this is really how we build ourselves as a kind of one of the major players in cybersecurity in the world. I wish you very interesting 2 days. I take the opportunity to invite you in February to the AI Week, and next year June, to Cyber Week 2024. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Professor Ben Israel and Gili. This is so exciting to open the second day of Cyber Week. I'm so happy to see you. Thank you for coming. We're going to have a wonderful day. We're going to see amazing speakers. Some of the best minds from all over the world came to Israel to participate in this event. They're going to share some very interesting global insights on many different topics in the cybersecurity domain. But a technical remark before we will start, I just wanted to tell you, if you have been planning on participating in the Emerging Threats to Critical Infrastructure Conference, I just want to tell you that it moved the hall, and now you can find it in Barzilay. It's going to start at 3 p.m. at the Barzilay Hall, which is not that far away from here. So this is our technical remark. If you've been here yesterday, please raise your hand. I just want to see if we have repeating customers. Okay, perfect. If you haven't been here yesterday, please raise your hand. Okay, some people, this is their first day. Perfect. We see more and more people entering the hall, so please feel free to come in. I want to introduce the first speaker for today without further ado. And he will start the session called Transforming Horizons, Navigating the Digital Frontier. And I want to call to the stage Matanyahu Englman. He's a state comptroller and Ombudsman of Israel. Please welcome him to the stage. The stage is yours. Good luck.
Dear Professor Ben Israel, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends. The world is in an arms race towards AI, along with enormous benefits inherent in the advancements of AI. I will focus my words today on the significant risks involved in our entry into this new era as well as the growing importance of cyber defense in the AI era. As State Comptroller of Israel and Vice President of Euroside, the European Organization of 51 Supreme Audit Institution, I must share with you an alarming statement. The risks of AI can destabilize our world and affect humanity as a whole. AI tools could be used by hostile elements such as terrorists and criminals and cause tremendous damage. In light of the growing cyber threats faced by the State of Israel, I have decided in recent years to place the cyber field as one of the core issues to be addressed by the audit. I now see the imperative importance of combining audits of the government's preparation for the risks of AI. The race for AI has led various countries around the world to making huge investment in the field. To emphasize the risk involved, it is enough to mention estimates that 2 of the 4 leading countries in the field are China and Russia. Thus, as China's president said, China is committed to developing artificial intelligence. And Vladimir Putin said, whoever becomes a leader in this area will become ruler of the world. Alongside the countries, the world's leading technology companies as well invest billions of dollars to enable a free environment for the development of AI tools. This will compel the leading technology companies to implement control and audit processes to reduce AI risks. On November 30, 2022, the Big Bang of AI took place. OpenAI released ChatGPT-4. From that point on, everyone has been talking about generative AI. It took ChatGPT only 5 days to reach 1 million users and only 2 months to reach 100 million users. This graph shows how long it took Facebook to reach 100 million users, 4.5 years compared to the 2 months it took ChatGPT. The AI revolution involves major risks, which I would like to present. We are witnessing an international debate taking place anywhere, with quotes such as, "I don't know if humanity can survive AI," or comparing AI to nuclear weapons, warning of its speed and spread. Big tech CEOs have signed a public letter calling to stop AI for 6 months and call upon the governments to establish regulation designed to protect humanity from its risks, and so on. Among the various risks involved, I would like to focus on 3. One is our inability to know whether the information we receive is true or false, as we already live in a world ramped with fake news. Another main risk is autonomous weapons in the wrong hands, terrorist organization, organized crimes, etc. Other major risks involves the labor market, in which many jobs will disappear while a demand will be created for others. In order to deal with the multitude of risks, regulation is required, which many countries have only just begun to establish. It appears that the European Parliament is the most advanced, having just recently passed legislation. The Israel government must get involved in this matter. About a month ago, we published a series of reports on cyber defense, in which we examined mainly business continuity and privacy infringement, such as use of biometric identification documents in Israel, ID cards and passports, cyber security in the Israel prison service, cyber audit at a medical center, and regulation of cyber protection at the National Insurance Institute. In addition, we begin an audit of Israel's preparedness for the AI revolution. This, alongside the use of the AI tools as part of the audit. Thus, in the report on placing children at risk, we analyzed the data file containing 1.6 million records in order to examine the results of out-of-home placements in adulthood. The audit revealed, among others, that the chances of a girl in a boarding school giving birth before the age of 17 are 5 times greater than a girl in general population. I'm speaking about a girl which relates to children at risk. And 1.5 times greater than a girl in foster care. And of course, before determining the audit plan, I would like to present the audit plan proposed by ChatGPT. Perhaps the suggestion isn't perfect, however, consider that 10 seconds it took ChatGPT to generate the answer, it's certainly impressive. I will now share with you the highlights of the audit plan outlined in my office. The first aspect is technological. Is the government ready for the technology with regard to governance, computing capabilities, human capitals, and more? Are we capable of examining the information and database on which the AI mechanism made its decision, the black box? The second aspect is regulation and legislation. How can the government protect its citizens and itself by restricting the use of AI technology with possible adverse effects or even danger? The third aspect is the implementation of the AI in the public state system, whether and how AI is assimilated in our national system, health, law, defense, education, etc. As State Comptroller, I recently initiated the establishment of an international working group within ICRC on AI auditing. If you can just pass the... Not working? Okay. Which composed many European countries such as UK, Germany, ECHA, which means the European Court of Audit, and the audit, and we will launch it together at very near future. The auditing world views SI as involving major risk. The challenges involved in coping with the issues are complex and require, among other things, continuous cooperation between states. We, in the Israeli State Comptroller Office, are committed to continue addressing this significant topic even more vigorously for the benefit of the citizens of Israel and the entire world. Thank you. I wish you a continued fruitful and enjoyable conference.